Hi everyone, this is my English YouTube channel and I want to share with you again about psychology and MasterKit. That is my favorite method I'm using every day for my daily life. And today, out of sudden, accidentally, I came to this thought when I was watching one of the videos of Daria Trutneva. She's the founder of MasterKit and she has this company called MasterKit itself. So I caught myself into thinking that I'm repeating after her, I'm doing her job, and I'm promoting her company for free. I had some kind of like a feeling of that, why I'm doing this. This is actually ego. In Russian, ego. In English, ego. This is our conscious mind is trying to tell you that, why you are doing this and why you are doing that, trying to logically to find explanation. And I was doing my MasterKit technique. I was asking myself the questions following the transformative word and text, and I found out that actually, why not? Why did I say I repeat myself after her? Because I'm giving now consultation about MasterKit. I'm giving to people my personal motivational session, and I'm giving my knowledge to another person, and I feel like I'm doing exactly the same like Daria Trutneva. Then I say, when I finished my work with MasterKit, I realized that actually, why not? I can repeat after a successful person. Daria Trutneva for me is icon. She is a really successful woman. I admire her and I want to be like her. So repeating her style or technique or the way how she talks, it gives me kind of why not? Even when we were monkeys, repeat each other, and doing that they learn something. And we were monkeys too. So when we see something we like, we start to follow this person, we start to repeat after this person, and it's normal, it's okay. And then I realized that, yes, I like to work for her company for free, I like to promote MasterKit because I'm using myself and I know it works. And it's like I'm giving for her company promotion, for free promotion. And then I look at it a different way, like MasterKit, and what I'm learning from them is like university, okay? When you go to university, you pay for your tuition fee. So, and after you graduate, you get your certificate and then you find a job. So same here in MasterKit, you learn and you pay for the knowledge that you are taking from MasterKit, right? You learn, you study, and you implement that into your real life. By implementing, you have your own business, you have your own world, your own job, right? In my case, I have my YouTube channel, and for me, my YouTube channel is like my personal small company, which is in the small stage, is still in developing, still on the process of going big. And I realized that I'm doing okay, that I can repeat after someone like Daria Trutneva and look at as MasterKit as a university, and I'm learning the knowledge, and everything goes to the right places, and I feel much better. If you like to comment, please comment. If you want my personal motivational session, let me know. I would love to give you one consultation. Just let me know, message me. You can find me on Instagram. See you soon.